Hey mom, today I walked into a computer store to compare models for building my own AI agent, but what I was really examining was the concept of the computer itself. A computer is a general purpose machine designed to receive input, process it according to encoded logic, store information, and produce output. At its core, it's a programmable engine for transforming data. Over the past 50 years, that engine has evolved from room-sized institutional hardware into portable, affordable network devices that fit in a backpack. Now, as AI and crypto infrastructure layer on top, the computer is evolving again into something capable of operating with increasing autonomy inside economic systems. Looking at modern machines lined up on display made one thing clear: the constraints have shifted. There was a time when RAM was prohibitively expensive and storage capacity was measured in painfully small increments. Engineers optimized ruthlessly because they had to. Hardware scarcity shaped innovation. Today, even mid-tier laptops carry more computational power than elite systems from not long ago. Storage is abundant and processing is cheap relative to history. The limiting factor is no longer the machine itself. The advantage now lives in how the system is structured. Software architecture, workflow design, and intelligent orchestration determine performance more than marginal hardware upgrades. A thoughtfully constructed automation loop on a modest device can outperform a poorly structured system running on expensive hardware. That realization recalibrates where effort should go. Instead of chasing the highest specs, the focus shifts to designing the right feedback loops, data flows, and decision trees. Computers have also moved from centralized assets to decentralized nodes. Early computing power was locked inside governments and major corporations. Access was rare and geographically fixed. The personal computer redistributed power. Laptops and smartphones made it mobile. Cloud infrastructure connected everything. Now, AI models accessible through APIs and blockchain networks capable of transferring value globally are pushing decentralization further. Modern computers, when connected to crypto rails, can transmit not only information, but also money. When augmented with AI, it can interpret data, generate responses, and trigger actions. That combination transforms the computer from a passive executor of human commands into a semi-autonomous economic actor. It can monitor markets, rebalance liquidity positions, or execute predefined strategies continuously. The decentralization of compute plus programmable value expands what a single individual can coordinate. History shows that each computing inflection point has created asymmetric opportunity. The transition from mainframes to personal computers enabled entirely new businesses. The rise of the internet reshaped communication and commerce. Mobile computing redefined distribution and user behavior. In each phase, those who recognized the direction of the shift early and built systems aligned with it gained disproportionate leverage. Standing in that store comparing chips and memory configurations felt like standing at another transition. The leverage acquired today is clarity about positioning. A well-structured AI agent connected to decentralized networks can operate continuously, learn from data, and act economically without constant supervision. That shifts the role of the builder from operator to architect. I ate a KFC Zinger Burger meal for dinner, and that was it for my day. Okay, love you. Bye.